Welcome back. Today we're going to be taking a look at how we can actually connect to the Weber system so we can do all of our database queries and do all the work we need to do for class. Again, if you go to the Weber canvas, you have the information you need right here on the tools page in the instruction module. You just want to download the appropriate version for SQL Developer. Again, make sure you get 21.2.1, not the latest version. I've got the Mac version available right here. The PC version is available from downloading from Oracle. You just have to make your free account. Again, you also need to make sure you download the correct VPN client. The links for that are right here. Again, the Mac version, because that's what we're using in class, is available as a direct download, or you can sign up for the download for the PC version, so you grab that information from there as well. But you'll need to make sure you download those appropriately. So just FYI, get that done, get that taken care of. The whole process for that is listed right here inside our resources page. If you go to the login process, you can click on that, open a new tab, and boom, here's the database access protocol, so you can actually do that yourself. So you have access to do all of that on there as well. But I'm going to go ahead and go through the process, step you through it right here so you can see how to do it with me and have a live version for that. The first thing you want to do is want to go ahead and connect to the Anyconnect system. So I type in Anyconnect, so Cisco Anyconnect Mobility Client. Great, that application is what I want to pull up on that. And I want to bring up right here. Since I've already made the connection at least once, you can see that I've got my lovely WSU campus right here because I've already typed it in. But if you don't have that up there, all you have to do is type in vpn.weber.edu and click the connect button. Or once you've got that done, you can just select WSU campus and connect. That's going to bring you to the Weber State University Central Authentication Service login, aka your Wildcat login. We've been using all the time just to get into just our basic stuff anyway. Now you go into your Wildcat login, you type in your Wildcat username and your Wildcat password, and you log in from that. It's going to check to make sure it connects, that makes that connection. As you can see right here is that right there. You get a quick little pop-up saying that you were connected to the WSU campus. Great, wonderful. Once you've got that connected, the next step is you need to go to SQL Developer. Again, since I'm on Mac, I just do Command Space. I type in SQL Developer. Double click on the actual icon for that. Boom, loads it up. We're going to have the SQL Developer login. We have that right here, SQL Developer from Oracle. We got the lovely little scroll bar of it loading this. Yay, hooray stuff. Great that up. And it's going to pop up here with our welcome page. If you haven't done this already, you want to create a connection manually. If you've already created a connection, you just use the connection right there. But again, just going over the create a connection manually, you get that information right here. And again, all this information is available right there on our page for Canvas. Give it a name, in this case, like say database class. Kind of a big deal. Type in your username. It's all going to start with C, hashtag, hashtag, and then CS2550, then first name, last name. So in my case, right there. Then you type in your password. So you've got that information, you type in your C, hashtag, hashtag, CS2550, your first name, last name, type in your password. Now this password is not your password for your Wildcat login. Again, this is your password for class. Check the login page on Canvas to make sure you have the access to that password. I'm not going to spell it out right here because you can figure that out. Then you go make sure your host name is titan.cs.weber.edu. Your port will stay 1521. Make sure SID is then Titan. Once you have that, you test it, you get a success. Once you've done that, you make sure you hit save. So you save your connection, make sure it's over right there. Great, over it, wonderful. Then make your connection, you connect to it, and you're going to get access then to your actual server. You can make queries with this. Now this is your worksheet. This is where you run all of your queries. So if I just do simply select, and then tab, and everything from student, semicolon, and I hit my play button, I get all the students, 268 rows selected. So again, you can access that right there. If I go over ahead and look under my database class, click on the plus sign, I have my tables. I can see that I'm inside the right thing. I've got access to all the table information right here. I have access to that and I can make that happen. So again, that's how you can make sure you do that. You make sure you first log into the VPN. Then once you've logged into the VPN, you start SQL Developer. And then you do all the queries you need to do. Once you're done, you want to make sure then you exit SQL Developer. So go to File and go down to Exit. Properly disconnect from the server. Things will be much happier to do. I don't want to save anything, so hit no on that. I'm going to shut down my SQL connection. Once I've shut down my SQL connection, I want to shut down my VPN connection. I can either do it up here on the menu bar, or I can actually just go to the window and do it and disconnect from that. I disconnect from my VPN right there. Disconnect and process, please wait. Bada boom, bada bang, and ka-chow, we're disconnected. We're out of the way, we can get that done. Again, that whole process is available right here inside that. If you have any questions, please ask me in class. Make sure you're able to do this because you need to get that SQL assignment done ASAP. Thanks again, have a great day, and we'll see you in the morning. Cheers, bye-bye.